Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the IceWM session in AntiX Linux. Let us start. First thing, we'll have to change the resolution. Okay, so this is the IceWM session. Here you can see there is a panel at the bottom, just like the XFC desktop. But here there is no desktop, only a window manager is there along with a panel. So on the panel at the bottom, you have got the application menu. Then you have got the this tiling manager. I think this is tiling manager. Then the NTX updater is there. You have got the software installer. Then the mount unmount removable device is there. File manager is there. Web browser is there. You have got the IceWM toolbar icon manager. The IceWM manager is there. You have got two workspaces, and on the right side you have got the simple volume control. What is this? This is the network manager. This is your simple this memory usage. It is showing the task manager is there. You can see here. Just 253 MB of RAM is being used, and this is the CPU manager. You can see the CPU load here. It is less than 1%, and CPU frequency, it is not showing the correct CPU frequency, but it will show when you are install it on the bare metal. You will get all the data correct. Then at the end you have got the calendar. Now let us try out the NTX updater, whether it works or not. First, it will do the updation of the repos. It will sync with the online repos. Then you have got the software installer. Let us start the software installer also. So just like in MX Linux, the same package installer is available here in NTX also. Okay. You can see here. So at least 31 available updates are there. So there is an option when you do the update for the first time after installing the system. You can either configure automatic update, and else you can do a manual update. So how to do that? Let us go with the manual update. So in manual update, you will receive some prompts that you must interact with, and you must give permissions. Yes, no, all different kinds of permissions. Otherwise, the update will not go forward. And in automatic, it will go as per the updater script, and it will choose the default options for the different prompts that are available on the terminal. So we will go with the installation. Mostly it is Firefox updates only. You can see here, and there is some wire plumber update for the audio, and control center update is there. Other than that, there will be very less update because this is based on MX Linux and Debian. So MX Linux is a sister concern. So many technologies of MX Linux you find in NTX and vice versa, and both of them are dependent on Debian. So whenever Debian will release some updates, they will come downstream in MX Linux also and in your NTX also. So the updates are working. Here you can see the enabled repos also. These are the popular applications that you can directly install by clicking on the tick boxes here. Even kernels also you can install. Older kernels are available. For example, 4.19 is there. So the older kernels will work better with very old devices. 8-year, 5-year, 8-year old devices also. 4.19 will work properly. Even 5.10 will also work with 5-year old devices. Non-free codecs are also available here. Different office suites are available. Printing options, screenshot utilities, screencast. Lot many things are available here. Even you got wallpapers also. The older wallpapers, AntiX 17, 19, 21 are available here. Different window managers are available here. So FVWM Crystal, we will try it out later on, not now. In the end video, we will do this also. So at present, we will just check out the IceWM window manager. Then we will check out the different flavors of Fluxbox also and JWM, that is the JOS window manager. So that we will cover, and in the end, FE window manager Crystal will be shown on our channel. So here you can configure the Debian backports. Okay, so the update is about to complete. Yes, so this is the Debian backports repo that has been enabled, and you can upgrade all, you can auto remove packages, you can install recommended packages. So different options are there. Total packages is around 66,657. Installed packages, out of this is available in the repos. Out of this, on our system, 1754 packages are installed and 133 are upgradable. So I think update is complete. No, it is still going on. It will complete. So I'm now closing this. Then you got the file manager. Let us check out the file manager. So this is a very minimal but very responsive file manager. We have seen this earlier also. I think in JOS window manager also this file manager is there. I think I don't remember, because 2 years back I had touched the AntiX resource distribution. So here you can check out. You can open the terminal from here. So it will open up here in this location. You can also open a root terminal here. You can have a new window. You can have a root window. You can save the file manager tabs and you can exit. Then in view, you can have the task manager. Here you can auto add the manager. You can change the columns. You can configure pop-ups. You can interact with the errors. You can queue new tasks. And this is the event manager also. You can stop a event manager. Okay, so our system is updated. You can see different tabs, panels, devices, then window titles, window icons, full screen, design mode, preferences. Lot many things are there. So you can configure the file manager icons, file list, interfaces, desktops. You can also change the wallpaper from here. And in the advanced mode, you can change the default terminals, the path for the terminal SU, graphical SU, editor, root editor, which editor will be the default. So Guinea is the default editor, root editor is leafpad, date format, time format you can change. So lot many things are available. You can just open this is the root file system. You can go and change anything. You can open the etc folder, for example. Let us open the grub. Where is the grub? This is the default. Yes, here the grub D is there. So you can do the configuration for the initialization of the system. Init select, that is the initialization configuration for the AntiX. So directly you can go anywhere. You can open it with root privileges. You can edit the files from here. Everything is possible. This file manager looks very simple, but it is very powerful. And at the bottom, if any copy paste or any transfer command is there between the removable device to your any system partition, then the status will be shown here. So you will get a progress bar and all those kinds of thing here at the bottom. Okay, so now web browser we will open. What is this? The icon toolbar icon manager is there, advanced. Okay, so here you can see it is Mozilla Firefox only, and the version of Mozilla Firefox will be, let us check out. It is the ESR version 128.9. So quite latest ESR version is available here. We will close this. Nothing to show here. Any new things, nothing to show. This is the toolbar configuration file. You can open it here by clicking here, and you can do direct changes to the toolbar icon manager, and you can change the toolbar. You can add icons, remove icons, move icons. I have shown this in the video in the IceWM toolbar settings, so you can watch it. It is already released, or it is about to release, I think. Yes, maybe in the this week and next week it will be released. Then the IceWM manager is there. So this also I have done a separate video. You can watch it. It is, I think, already released. You can check out in the playlist. These are the workspaces and the other settings that are shown. Now let us check out the different applications. So in applications, you can see you can add different menu items. Android device USB connect is there. AntiX updater we have seen. AntiX user manager, that also a separate video I have done. AntiX Wi-Fi switch, AntiX workspace manager, backlit brightness, change root rescue scan. That I think is pending, that we will cover up in a separate video. Command line APT based package manager, command line control center, date, time, edit, and NTX startup file. So here you can edit the NTX startup file. I think this is pending. We will cover it if it is pending. Then you can format USBs. The IceWM manager is there. IceWM remember settings. This also I will show you in a separate video what is IceWM remember settings. IceWM toolbar icon manager, ISO snapshot, live USB kernel updater, live USB maker, login manager, personal menu editor, program remover, program menu item. Sorry, not program remover, menu item, but it is remove menu item. So you can use this to remove any menu items shown here. User language, you can change add color, that is the interface color. In accessories, you got the archive manager, calculator, cherry tree, clip it, enable, disable, piper, audio server, finder is there. So this is the file finder. Firegel configuration wizard, that is pending. Leafpad I have shown you. Midnight commander editor is nothing but the Midnight commander file manager. So it has got editor, so you can configure it. Other desktops, that I will do it in a separate video. RxVT color, Unicode terminal, toggle visual effects with X composite manager, composer, Beam, Xburn, ZZZ, FM, file manager, or the file search. In games, you got DOSBox and Mahjong. In graphics, you got document scanner, GTCam, digital camera browser, LibreOffice Draw, Mirage, MT Paint, graphic editor. Screenshot, in internet, you got lot many applications, NTX Cloud, Seni, Cloudmail, connect shares, configuration, Conman UI setup, disconnect shares, Drupal, Firefox ESR, GFTP, Genome PPP, XChat, links to SACIS 3G, search bar, shared folders, transmission. This is the universal firewall. Let us start the firewall. So by default, the firewall is off. You have to enable the firewall, and once you enable it, every time you start your system, it will start. Okay. Now, okay. WPA GUI is nothing but your Wi-Fi manager. You can configure the Wi-Fi using this GUI. In multimedia, you got ALSA mixer, equalizer, NTX acoustic colors, NTX radio, NTX TV, Asunder CD Reaper, Calf plugin pack for jack, celluloid, easy effects. This is how done in a separate video I have shown you. GUVC view, MPV media player, pulse audio volume control, sound card chooser, stream tuner, WinFF, XMMS media player, YouTube video player. In Office, you got the LibreOffice suite and the Q PDF viewer. In preferences, you can set the ad block. I have done a separate video. Then you can add keyboard layouts, add menu items, ADSL, PPOE configuration, alternatives configuration, AR and R, that is the display configuration, Bluetooth manager, configure auto mount of USB drives and other partitions, Conman UI setup, customize look and feel, menu manager, onboard settings, pointing device, printer settings, pulse audio volume control, Qt settings, remove menu items, screen light, set font size, DPI, synaptic package manager, system board, system keyboard, user language, and the wallpapers. And in programming, you got Gimme, Meld, and the Vim Tiny. In system, you have got app select, boot repair. I have shown the boot repair video. There is separate video. You can check it out. Choose startup services. I think I have shown. Control center. I have shown. Dev installer, disk manager, fire tools that is pending. Gparted, GR sync. At stop, we will check out. Lucky backup. I have shown a separate video is there. How to take your system backup. How to take ISO snapshots. Everything I have shown. So the standard IceWM will use around 280 or 270 MB of RAM, and the CPU usage will be less than 1%. You can see it here. CPU usage is very less than 1%. Then Lucky backup I have shown. Lucky backup as a super user. Midnight commander I have shown you. Modem manager GUI, that is nobody uses modem managers, dial-up modem managers now. So that is I cannot show you because I don't have any dial-up modem with me. Mountbox, it is pending. Network assistant, NVIDIA driver installer, package installer, PC information, repo manager, root terminal, ROX filer as root. That will come in the next video when we check out the different flavors of IceWM window manager. So that time ROX will come because there is ROX IceWM. So in that video I have shown what is this. That will come up later. Task manager is there. Let us check out the task manager. So memory usage is 277. So it matches with the Xtop reading. CPU usage is 0. So it is less than 1%. You got trash manager and the ZZZ file manager. That also I have shown you. In universal access, you got Magnus, that is a magnifying glass, and the onboard keyboard. That's it. Now let us check out the wallpapers here. You can choose the different wallpapers. Okay. Select picture. Let us try out some wallpapers. Yes. Let us open this up. Apply. Looks very beautiful. Only the issue is that because of the improper display scaling, the Conky manager displays it somewhere in the top middle. It should be at the top right side, extreme right side, but it is coming up near. But when you install it on your bare metal, you will not face this issue because in bare metal, the scaling is quite proper. You won't have this much wrong scaling. Now we will select another picture, flat. Let us apply this. This is also nice looking wallpaper. Then you have another wallpaper, found and lost marbles. This also is fantastic wallpaper. Yes, my favorite wallpaper. Yes. Then you got leaf hanging. So this is also nice looking wallpaper. Very cool looking wallpapers. Wow. Then you got 1 point. This is the best of the best. Very, very, very beautiful looking wallpaper. This is also my favorite. Then you got the pylons. This is I think from the older AntiX version. I think AntiX 22. Then you got the space one. This is okay, not to my liking, but looks very subtle. Then you got the sunflower. This also is nice looking wallpaper. If you like nature related wallpapers, this is bright and shiny and cheers up your mood. Okay. Then anything else is there? Yes. And there are some grub wallpapers. So I will show you the grub wallpapers also. This you have seen. Okay. This is so grub wallpapers are they are in black and white only. These are the grub wallpapers. I'm showing it here on the full screen. Then you got the beta okay, grub. Okay. So yes, the grub also contains colorful wallpapers, but this one is the default grub screen wallpaper. So that's it. These are all the wallpapers that are available. We will stick with this wallpaper, my favorite. Okay, so anything else is there? Let us check out NTX TV. Let us try out the NTX TV. Okay, so here you can see the TV station, online TV station is there. So you can watch all kinds of videos from adult, porn, everything, ABC News, ABN Africa, lot many things are there. You can also have program previews. You can do the settings. So these are the settings. You can do the settings for the video bitrate, output devices, direct directory for the scene photos, output format for the scene photos, directory for the program recording. So you can do recordings of the live program that is running in the NTX TV. You can edit channel list, you can update list, you can save settings. Many things are possible. Okay. Anything else is there? You can start the recording, you can stop the recording, you can take a scene photo also. You can freeze the screen and then take a scene photo. Lot many channels are available. Okay. So it takes time to change the pages. You can see I will change the page 3. It will take some time. So at a time, maybe 20-30 channels it will show, not more than that. Okay. So this is a good application. Then NTX radio, let us try it out. NTX radios list have been actualized. The new list are waiting in user local bin NTX radio stations directly to be copied to your personal collection of station list in your home folder. So you can do the math for me. Let them copy it there, and you can select the radio station you want to hear. You can see there are some channels are there, and you can load another list with different channels. Then any other application is there. Stream tuner. Let us try out the stream tuner. So I think it is some kind of audio application only. Okay, stream tuner settings. Yes, so this is also online web radio only, nothing different. And these are the configuration settings. You can see here, filter music, many things, internet radio, Jamendo. You can configure the different channels here. You can configure the player settings, recording, audio player settings. There are options for display, station loading, playlist conversion. So you can take a look at this after installing the NTX on your system. Very interesting Linux distro is there. Lot of features and application loaded. It is fully loaded. We can say it is feature packed with different applications and system features. Never seen such a Linux distribution with so many applications available by default. What is WinFF? We will show. Okay, so this is WinFF is nothing but a converter. You can convert the audio video formats from one format to the other format. For example, this many formats are available. You can see here, and you can convert to this many: MP4 full screen, MP4 widescreen, MP4 1080p, MP4 720p, and the output folder you can specify. You can play and convert while the video is playing. You can, I think, what is it? Okay, so presets, preferences are also available. You can check it out yourself. It's very simple but very powerful tool to convert different video formats to video and audio formats to different audio and video formats. Okay. Anything else? Repo manager here. So we'll check out the repo manager also. So here, this repo manager is nothing but the same repo manager that is available in the MX Linux. So you can see NTX repos, MX Linux repos. You can see these are the Debian repos that are enabled by default. You can add the Debian repos. For example, I can add the multimedia non-free repo, and at bottom these are all the testing repos, seed and testing repo that we will not enable. And we can enable this repo. No, these are all testing repos. We will not touch them. Only the top 4 are okay. Rest bottom, this 5 are testing repos. We will not touch them. We will apply this, only the non-free stable repo will enable, and there are individual repos also available. From the AntiX testing repos, you can see seed for the AntiX seed repo is there, Bookworm repo, LibreWolf. If you want to install the LibreWolf browser, you can enable this, and then you can install the Liquorix kernels using this repo. So you have to enable that. I will enable this. You can see it's very easy, and you can change the mirrors, AntiX repo mirrors. Different mirrors or repos are available in different countries. You can choose between, or you can select the fastest repo for me. So I will click here and it will start searching for the fastest repo that is available nearby me. Okay, so it has changed to China Alibaba Cloud. Okay, so that is fastest near me. So that's it. I think for today's video, we have checked out a lot of applications here today along with the IceWM window manager. So this is the standard or the basic IceWM window manager. Then we will test the ZZZ IceWM manager. Then we will check out the ROX IceWM manager. Then there is another minimal IceWM manager that we will check in the next video. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.